Hey friends, if you wish to check the Bluetooth radio status or not fixed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. And if this doesn't help, then we can perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to reinstall Bluetooth drivers. And how will we do that? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth one and update it. If that doesn't help, then right click on it and select uninstall device, uninstall it. If that helps, you'll have to restart your computer after that. So click on action and scan for hardware changes. It will reinstall the Bluetooth drivers. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.